Hi friends, today we will study bones and muscles. Friends, our body consists of different organs which have different functions to do. For example, lungs absorbs oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide during respiration. Heart pumps blood to different parts of the body, while eyes helps us to see. The organs do not work alone, rather they work together. Several organs work together to perform one major function for the body. For example, organs like teeth, salivary glands, food pipe, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, etc. work together with stomach to digest the food and throw out the waste. These organs working together form a system. The organs which help to digest food together form the digestive system. Friends, the main systems in our body are nervous system, skeletal system, muscular system, circulatory system, digestive system, breathing or respiratory system, excretory system, and reproductive system. The skeletal system. All the bones in our body form a framework called the skeleton. The skeleton gives our body its shape and strength and also protects vital organs like brain, heart, lungs, etc. Bones are hard and are of different shapes and sizes. The skeleton of an adult is made up of 206 bones. At birth, we have more bones, but as we grow, these bones join together. The bones also grow bigger as we grow and thus become longer and larger. Bones are hard and tough from the outside, but inside they are soft and spongy. Inside of bone, there is a jelly-like material called the bone marrow. Bone marrow makes blood cells in our body. Bones are living and can mend themselves if broken. Friends, let us see different parts of the skeleton. The bones of our head make up the skull. It protects the brain and contains holes for our eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Skull is made up of 22 different bones that are joined together. The upper part of the skull is made of 8 bones and face is made of 14 bones. The lower jawbone is the only moving bone in the skull. The backbone. There are 33 small bones called vertebrae in our back, which are joined together to form the backbone. Backbone is also called the spine or vertebral column. We can bend and twist our back because of these joints present in the vertebrae. Each vertebrae has a hole in it, and the delicate spinal cord passes through these holes. The vertebral column thus protects the spinal cord. The ribs are thin, flat, curved bones that form a cage around heart and lungs to protect them. There are 12 pairs of ribs. They are joined to the backbone at the back and most of them are joined to the breastbone in front. The 2 pairs of the lower ribs which are not attached to breastbone are called floating ribs. The limbs. The hip bone is made of 3 bones joined together. The bones of lower limbs or legs are attached to hip bone. The upper half of the leg has a long bone called femur or thigh bone. It is the longest bone in the body. The lower half of the leg has the shin bone and the calf bone. At the end of each leg is a foot that has number of small bones. The upper limbs or arms are attached to shoulder blades. The upper arm has one long bone called the humerus. The lower arm has 2 long bones. The wrist and hand have several small bones. Joints. Even though skeleton is strong and rigid, it can bend and move. This is possible because of the way the bones are joined. Joints are the places where 2 bones are joined together. Bones are held together by ligaments. There are many joints in the body and different joints allow different types of movements. Only the joints in the skull do not allow any movement. The main kinds of movable joints present in the body are hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. Hinge joint allows only back and forth movement of bone. Example, knees and elbows. In ball and socket joint, the end of one of the bone is round like a ball and it fits into a hollow part or socket in the other bone. These joints allows movements in all the direction. Example, hips and shoulder joints. Pivot joint is the joint between the skull and the spine. It allows our head to turn to the left and right and also move up and down. Gliding joint. In this joint, the bones can slide over each other. It is present in wrist and ankle. It allows side to side as well as backward and forward movement. The muscular system. Bones cannot move by themselves. Muscles attached to the bones pull the bones. There are about 640 muscles in the body, which makes 40% of the total body weight. Muscles are attached to bones by tough bands of tissue called tendons. Muscles can only pull and they cannot push. Hence, to move the bone in one direction, at least two muscles are required. For example, biceps and triceps moves our lower arm up and down. Kinds of muscles. The muscles which controls the movements like arms or legs are called voluntary muscles. These movements are in our control. But we cannot control the movement of our stomach. These muscles work on their own. These muscles are called the involuntary muscles. Our heart is made up of a special kind of muscle called cardiac muscle. It is an involuntary muscle that works throughout our lifetime without getting tired. Friends, that's all about the bones and the muscles. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. All the best.